The length of orthodontic treatment is determined by the body's natural ability to remodel the alveolar bones surrounding your teeth roots when orthodontic appliances are in place. The AVOS system is the most advanced low-intensity pulsed ultrasound therapy system in the world and is designed to accompany and accelerate orthodontic treatment. The AVOS system enhances the body's natural bone remodeling process through LIPUS. LIPUS has been used successfully for over 30 years for orthopedic treatments and for over a decade for orthodontic treatments. The AVOS system has been accepted by Health Canada and in the market since 2015. Placed over your metal braces, ceramic brackets, or clear liners, the AVOS system delivers LIPUS directly to the alveolar bone. The AVOS system is the only treatment that has a direct signal pathway at the cellular level. Regular use of the AVOS system during orthodontic treatment will facilitate faster tooth movement and decrease orthodontically induced tooth root resorption.
Kaiden, you have an orthodontic appointment tomorrow.
Again? Why? I have so much homework.
You have to go.
How much longer do I have to wear these aligners for? It's been over a year already.
You know, you're not the only one that's busy. I have 1,000 things to do aside from taking you to your orthodontic appointments.
I just wish there was a faster way to get this done.
The AVOS system is a scientifically and clinically proven device that can be added to both clear aligners or braces to safely shorten the orthodontic duration of treatment by an average of 49%. Talk to your orthodontist or your dentist today, or visit our website to learn more.
Hey Emily, why did you take your braces off?
Because the treatment's done.
Really? You and I started at the same time. How did you get yours off so fast?
Well, my orthodontist recommended adding AVOS system to my treatment plan, and it helped shorten the time by 50%.
My orthodontist told me it was going to take at least another 12 months.
Ask him about AVOS system. You can add it during any point of your treatment, and it helps speed it up.
The AVOS system is a scientifically and clinically proven device that can be added to both clear aligners or braces to safely shorten the orthodontic duration of treatment by an average of 49%. Talk to your orthodontist or your dentist today, or visit our website to learn more.
Hello everyone, my name is Tariq Elbiali. I'm an orthodontist and a professor at University of Alberta. Using the AVOS system, we have shown that cases can be treated almost into half of the treatment when we compare it to our control group. So basically, normally complex cases can take about 2, 3, or even 4 years in treatment. When we use the AVOS system and we match with different control groups, means that same individual, they have similar cases. Some people took AVO, some people didn't take AVO, and we compare the treatment time in general. We found out using the AVO system can reduce the treatment time for about 50%. So we proved that using AVO system can accelerate tooth movement if the individuals or the patients can use it diligently every day for 20 minutes. So ultrasound basically not only accelerates tooth movement, it has many added effects. Positive effects on the teeth. The first one, it can prevent further damage to the roots. It's called root resorption. It's been proven by many other researchers that this kind of ultrasound can stimulate the teeth root cells to make more materials of the teeth roots. And this basically will be a protective layer of the teeth roots against the resorption by orthodontic treatment. And this is not only one researcher, there are many researchers that confirmed those results. So this is an added effect to the acceleration of orthodontic treatments. A recent review also showed that the gel that's being used inside the mouth with the AVO system, with any ultrasound, you have to use gel, right? But this specific gel that's been provided for inside the mouth use, it also has a material that can kill the bacteria that makes cavities. So this is another added effect too. So you can not only have your teeth move faster and the teeth become more sound or at least less damage to the roots, but also you can have added protection because most of the time braces, and it's already proven, most people that use braces, they can get cavities if you don't brush or floss your teeth. So if you have this gel can kill the bacteria that make cavities, that's an added effect too. So you can have all in one. So that's why I'm using AVO for most of my cases, specifically if they are adults, if they are complex cases that can take forever, and also if they are at high risk of root resorption or at high risk of cavities.
I believe my estimated treatment time without AVO would have been about 2.5 to 3 years. My actual treatment time was about 1.5 years, so significantly shorter with AVO. My experience was great. It was very positive. I was very happy with the results, and I like that it really shortened down the time. It was really easy to use, a few minutes a day, quick, painless, and just overall, I'm just really happy with the results. Definitely, I'm really happy with the results. My teeth are straight. It was done in half the time that I was quoted, so I'm really happy that I didn't have to have Invisalign for too long. I chose AVO because it was recommended to me by Sphinx Orthodontics. They recommended it to cut down my treatment time, and I was really happy with my choice. Yes, I would definitely recommend it to my friends and family. I can't think of a reason why someone wouldn't add AVO to their treatment. The cost is very minimal and it does reduce time significantly. So I think if someone has the option to have it, I think they should definitely choose it. I'm definitely going to smile more.
So when I originally came in and met with the doctor and did the scans that way, I was told the first set would be about 1 year to 1.5 years, and then after that we would do scans in between. And then by using AVO, I was able to cut that down in half, and thank goodness I did do that because my treatment time ended up being much longer, but AVO was able to make that entire treatment process shorter and more exciting and fulfilling in the long run. By the time I was through all the treatment before getting my retainers, it was about 4.5 years. Originally, growing up, all the doctors and dentists that I had seen said based on my bite that I would actually need surgery, and without AVO it would have been substantially longer, and by doing surgery I would have had the recovery time and then some sort of Invisalign or braces treatment afterwards. AVO is great. It's a really simple to use system. It takes about 20 minutes every day, and it's kind of a nice break in the day that you get to just sit down and relax. It doesn't cause any pain. It's not uncomfortable, and just super simple to use, and you can do it anytime during the day that works into your schedule. I'm wearing retainers now. I'm very happy with the results. The doctor that I worked with throughout this was very responsive. I was able to make appointments on time when I needed to come in. The entire business that I did it through was able to meet my appointment needs, work around my schedule, and at the end of the day, it was a much faster process than any other option. Again, as I said there, if I wouldn't have done AVO with just Invisalign, the entire process would have been much longer. AVO afforded me to cut down the time frame and it worked into my schedule. That's why I went with AVO. Most certainly I would recommend AVO to anyone doing Invisalign. It's a great option. It cuts down your time and it's a nice little break in the day to just sit down, relax, and take time to focus on your own needs. As an adult, I don't see any reason why you wouldn't want to use AVO. At the end of the day, I didn't have to go through surgery or recovery. I didn't have to add on the treatment plan after doing any of that. So at the end of the day, it was much faster, more accommodating, and I'm happy to be through the process in the time frame that it took.
It was 3 years, and then with AVO, it will be a little bit over 2 years, which is pretty great. They told me when I started that I'd change my liners every 7 days, and then they told me to change my liners when they got loose. So they started getting loose every 5 days, instead of every 7 days. So then I started changing liners every 5 days, which brought the time down. And if I wanted to, I could change them every 3 days. I don't know yet. I'm not done yet. But hopefully 2 years. I'm about halfway through. So yes, like I said, I like the fact that I can clench my jaw and it doesn't hurt as much. And the end result, I don't know yet, but we'll see. I think it will be good. So they do x-rays here at Sphinx, and when they looked at my mouth x-ray, they told me that my first 4 front teeth have really short roots. They told me that Avo would help strengthen the roots. It wouldn't help them grow, but it would help them keep from deteriorating any further, which is pretty great because I don't want to lose teeth. Definitely. My family has a tendency to grind our teeth when we're sleeping and clench our jaws and everything, and that's not very good for jaw health or for teeth health. So the Avo is really good in making sure that I'm not hurting my teeth any more than a normal person would who's not using Avo. I'd honestly, who doesn't want to not have Invisalign in their teeth for shorter times, smile a lot more. I was missing a tooth before I started Avo, so I wasn't really smiling properly because like my tooth was behind all my other teeth and I had a hole in my mouth, so that wasn't ideal. So now like I smile normally now with teeth because I can.
The estimated treatment time without the Avo system was approximately 10 months. The actual treatment time with Avo cut it in half to about 5 months. My experience with the Avo system was great. It was super easy to use. The app was also very user-friendly. I'm very satisfied and very happy with the end result of my treatment. The biggest selling feature to me with the Avo system was the time, or the length of the treatment that it saved me. Cut my treatment time in half. I would definitely recommend the Avo system to friends and family. Again, it was super easy to use and the end result speaks for itself. I don't know why anyone would not want to use the Avo system during their treatment. I'm definitely going to smile more, and I'm just really happy that I finished the treatment and I'm already have it in the rearview mirror.